Hey guys, we're going to see top 5 life hacks of the day. I'm sure it will be helpful. Hack number 1. Liking someone's post on a social network causes them to automatically associate you with positive thoughts. It's a worthy investment. Hack number 2. When limited water is available, rinse your mouth for 30 seconds before swallowing, since most of your thirst comes from a dry mouth. Hack number 3. Showering with cooler water can stop a dandruff problem. Hack number 4. You can use Google as a timer by typing "set timer as 10 minutes" into the search bar. Hack number 5. To stop yourself from vomiting, eat a mint or chew minty gum. Which hack did you like most? Comment your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to watch relevant videos. Thank you for watching.